Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export from Excel to CSV here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting data from Trello to Excel or CSV is a straightforward process that could help your team and individuals who need to analyze, report, or archive their project information. Now, here, basically, when you go to the upper right corner, there's going to be an option here that you can print, export, and share. All right. Now, you see, you can export it as a CSV, but the thing is, it needs to be on the upgraded plan. I'm using the free plan right now. If you click on the upgraded plan, you can click on the start free trial if you wanted. And of course, you can try Trello Premium free for 14 days and no credit card required. Of course, you can unlock unlimited perks and benefits for you to leverage. If you click on the explore plans, these are the options. Right now, I am on free and I have limited options. If you opt to the premium plan, you see you can export CSV data export. All right, that's one way. Now, the next option that you could use to export anything from Excel to CSV is go to the power ups. Okay. Now, go to the add power ups and type in export, maybe CSV. You see, you have a lot of options here. Number one is exports for Trello by Blue Cat. That's going to be CSV, Excel. Matter of fact, you have a lot of options here. So it's all up to you. But for now, I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to click on add. And what will happen is I would be forwarded here in this option that says add. After that, all I'm going to do is authorize with Trello. There's going to be a prompt. Just follow it. At the bottom, allow. After that, you would be able to download a CSV. It's a very easy process. But you have to remember, you have 10 free exports remaining. You can also have the option to schedule an email export. But of course, you need to upgrade to that. You also have an option for a project brief, and that's how you export from Trello to CSV here on this platform. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.